one more example on method of completing the square. The question is there on the board. Solve this equation by the method of completing the square. In the exam it is clearly mentioned like this. Solve by so and so method. Okay. So we wrote the given equation. In the given equation, the constant is written on the right side. But step number 1 says that rearrange the equation in the general form. So we transferred this minus 7 to this side. So it is in the general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So that is first step. Step number 2 is divide the full equation by the coefficient of square term. So here the coefficient of square term is 6. Therefore we are dividing both sides by 6. So if you divide all the terms by 6, what do we get? First term divided by 6, 6 will cancel, you will get x square. Second term divided by 6, you will get minus 11 by 6x. Third term divided by 6, minus 7 by 6 equal to 0. Okay. Once you get the coefficient of x square is equal to 1, that is the most important requirement. The first thing to be done is adjust the coefficient of square term to 1 and then the action begins. Okay. After getting the coefficient of square term to 1, you calculate half coefficient of x whole square. The quadratic equation can be given to you in any variable. It can be a, b, c also. So whatever it is. So middle term coefficient उसका आधा करो और स्क्वायर करो. So half of minus 11 by 6. 1 into minus 11 by 12 उसका स्क्वायर. Minus 11 का स्क्वायर plus 121. 12 का स्क्वायर 144. This number has to be added and subtracted in the LHS of 2, in the left hand side of 2. But where are we going to insert them? Where are we going to add them and subtract? तीसरे पोजीशन में ऐड करना और चौथे में सब्ट्रैक्ट करना. So that is what we have done. थर्ड पोजीशन में ऐड किया और चौथे में सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. Remaining terms are written as they are. Okay. By doing so, what we have done, we are now able to write the first 3 terms as perfect square. In the last example also I told you the method of doing so. Let me explain once more. ये तीनों को परफेक्ट स्क्वायर फॉर्म में कैसे लिखते हैं? पहले का स्क्वायर रूट x, बीच वाले का साइन दैट इज माइनस, थर्ड टर्म का स्क्वायर रूट दैट इज 11 by 12 और ये तीनों को ब्रैकेट में लिख के होल स्क्वायर करेंगे. And if you simplify that bracket, you will get the same expansion. So these 3 terms have been written in the form of a perfect square. And the calculation of the remaining 2 terms has to be done. You have done it in the lower classes, addition and subtraction of fractions. In the same manner I am going to do it. This is 144. In order to make this denominator equal to 144, I have multiplied the numerator and the denominator by 24. Okay. So you get this, and if you calculate the sum of the numerators, you get this is minus 289 by 144. Always transfer this number to the right side. That is the easier way to go ahead. Okay. So you are getting the equation of the form bracket square is equal to some number. So you take the square root. When you take the square root, this square will go on the right hand side plus minus 17 by 12. Okay, why it is so, you know, square root of 289 17, square root of 144 12, you have to put plus minus sign. Now you are getting the equation in which you get 2 different channels. One will be plus, another will be minus. Simplify and go till the end. Just go on simplifying. You get the values x is equal to 7 by 3, x is equal to minus 1 by 2, and these 2 are the roots of this equation. So I have solved 2 different examples for you. Those 2 examples are not from the textbook. These are separately made additional examples. So 2 different examples I have solved for you. Now exercise 2.3 fully for you to solve as homework, and yesterday I had sent around I think 15 examples to be solved by factorization method. Now same 15 plus exercise 2.3. I think in exercise 2.3 there are 6 examples. So 15 examples which I have already sent you for factorization method. Those 15 you will solve by completing square. Also 6 examples from 2.3. 2.3 is given on page number 39. So 15 plus 6, 21 examples you will solve by the method of completing the squares. And please send me the homework also.